President Emerson Mnangagwa is appointed Elizabeth Ngwaunza as Zimbabwe's next Chief Justice, taking over from Luke Malawa, who retires on May 15, age 75. Ngwaunza, previously Malawa's deputy, steps into the country's highest judicial role at the pivotal moment. Zarapina mashoko buda panguva ino chinzi breaking. Mnangagwa picks new top judge in a power shake-up. Then was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva ino kunzi Luke Malawa anozivikanwa a history yakanga iri controversial. Panguva ino everyone is taking a deep breath. Panguva ino yanyatsokufila a relief. They know what they experienced than the previous Chief Justice. Panguva inotomira a statement inobuda echinyorwa panguva ino from the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet. Anyogwana Martin Rushwa inobuda nyika chinzi appointment of the Chief Justice. His Excellency the President has, in terms of Section 182 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, appointed Honorable Mrs. Justice Elizabeth Ngwaunza as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Zimbabwe, with effect from 15 May 2026. Honorable Mrs. Justice Elizabeth Ngwaunza is qualified for appointment, having served as the Deputy Chief since 29 March 2018 and possessing extensive judicial experience. Doma developments are panguva ino pazvava. Pinako mesection medu mboti zamafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechiriko ichi. Pinako mesection medu musoro subscribe or like wachireno tena on the bell icon.